Good morning. Today is Monday, time is Sydney, Australia. Right now is 10 past 11 a.m. Date is 20th of June 2022. Before I go to the chart, as always, please pause the video and read this disclaimer. We are not actually responsible for your trade. This is only education and information side. You have to read all this. So I go to the chart. This is about Bitcoin. Last night on Sunday, we mentioned something about prediction of the Bitcoin again. On Saturday we did it and Sunday happened, and then last night on the second part of the video I mentioned that if market goes above the certain level then it's going to go down. As you can see, I go to the chart. If you refer to my second part of the video which I uploaded Sunday, I said this is the hidden resistance, and market, if it goes above this hidden resistance and if it suffer, give us the go ahead to sell, we enter to the market, and I did. Actually, this is the trade. We enter to the market and we say that this is the level. Hopefully market, the price would come and visit it. The gravity of this hidden support is very strong, I believe, and market is going to come down and test it. There is a hidden support and resistance on chart, as I have mentioned on previous video. Many people actually, when they trade, they're looking at those areas. They say these are the actually, for example, resistance or support or things like that, which is very obvious. I mean, anyone can see this. So the main and the more important is hidden support and resistance, where they actually market makers are waiting and to hit those levels to either buy it or to sell it, because so many pending order sitting there waiting. So we actually believe this area is a hidden one. The actual one is this one, but I put the price a bit up, taking profit up, and this is hidden support. Market has to come and visit this level, 18,480. After that, what's going to happen? Then I have to find again another level, either to buy or to sell. I put this red line here as a stop loss. If for some reason market goes above this area and we have a candlestick which is close above this, then we actually gonna close the trade and wait for the second opportunity to recover again, back again to the trade same direction, hopefully. And we're not chasing the market, we are actually following the sharks. When I'm saying sharks, if you refer to those videos that I had before, the market makers are sharks. The market maker, they have very nasty game, and they can see all the brokers where your stop loss is and everything is there, and they can actually do something that you actually lose your trade. So you have to be very careful. Anyway, this trade is on the base of a 1 hour time frame. Every candlestick takes 1 hour. I don't know how long this gonna take. Maybe a couple of hours, maybe a couple of days. I have no idea. But most probably around 5 p.m. Sydney time, because London open. If I close to the taking profit, I would close it, because market would actually jump up and down when London open, because too many volume come through. So I'm not going to make this video so long, because I'm going to actually shrink it, because if it takes a couple of days, it's going to be hard for me to shrink the video for uploading. So I pause the video and I come back to you. Hopefully in a couple of hours this trade is going to be finished. So in the name of who, I'm going to pause the video right now. Some people ask me how actually we can trade on the forex for the Bitcoin and other things. There are so many brokers actually that you can actually buy the Bitcoin or any crypto and wait for that coin if you get some value, and then if the price goes above what you bought, and then you can actually sell it in profit. I don't mention any brokers because I'm not actually in the affiliate marketing, and I'm not trying to promote anyone or any company. But with Forex is different. Recently Forex platform, no matter which broker you use, if you look into asset that they have on the platform, you can see there is Bitcoin, there is actually Dogecoin, there are so many other coins as well, also oil, things like that. You can actually sell the Bitcoin even when you don't have it, which is really hard to understand for the people, for the beginners. How can you actually sell the Bitcoin when you don't have it? When you open the account with any brokers, when you have money in your account, you can actually buy or sell the asset even you don't have it, and then you short it. With this system of selling and trading on Forex, it's very good because you don't have to actually own the Bitcoin to trade it. You can actually short, as I did it now. I just did it. I short the Bitcoin even I didn't have it, but I did have money in my account, so the broker let me to do this. It's a bit complicated. It's different than the other company that you own. You buy the share and then you wait. For example, you buy PHP or whatever, Telstra or any other company, asset, Apple. Then you wait and hoping that market will go up, and then you sell it in profit. This is different. This Forex system is completely different. So I might actually later on make another video and explain this. Sorry, I got short break. I can't talk. As I have said to you yesterday, I catch the corona and I don't feel very good. So I post the video and I come back to you guys. Yahoo! I'm back. I made taking profit TP1 and TP2. Our final profit would be around this area, and as I have mentioned, this is another level that is hidden. So if we hit the TP1, I would get out of the trade because I don't want this trade goes for long, 2-3 days, because every candlestick need to mature in 1 hour. Hopefully by end of day today we hit the TP1 and we get out, and then if we hit the TP2, then I will make the second video. So at the moment we are in the profit. As you can see, this software is showing us how much we are in the profit. So in the name of phone, I'm going to post the video and I'll come back when we hit the TP1. I'm not going to take more time of you because sometimes I forgot and then I repeat myself. So in the name of who, I'm going to post the video right now. Yahoo! Don't forget, this is crypto. This is Bitcoin. It's not like other currency that big bank and big company are after that. Euro USD. If you see the Euro USD, this is Euro USD. Still market is quiet, but normally 5 p.m. Sydney time when London open, there is a big movement. We have to actually check if there is any red news, or because if there is red news, I haven't checked the Forex factory. normally market maker are waiting for the red news to come true, and then they would make a decision what to do. Anyway, I pause the video and I come back and see what's gonna happen. Good morning. Today is Tuesday. Time in Sydney, Australia is 8:28 a.m. Date is 21st of June. We opened a trade for the Bitcoin yesterday and is about 21 hours. It still is ranging and it's going up and down, and more than 21 hours this trade is struggling to come down. It would eventually come down. I'm thinking actually maybe I close it in the break even, or maybe leave it as it is, because of the sake of the video. I don't know how much I have to shrink it, because recording for more than 20 hours is a little bit big file. So we will see if I can shrink it, and then we will do it. But at the moment we are on the loss, which is doesn't really matter, and market would come down. And this level, it's very important, and the gravity of this support would pull market down, hopefully, as we predict. And that is the TP1, taking profit 1, and this level is a taking profit 2, which is the final one. So I post the video and see what's gonna happen. I don't know if this trade gonna take another 2 or 3 days, because every candlestick is 1 hour. It might take 2 or 3 days to reach. However, if I have to see, maybe I close it in the break even, or maybe close a little bit in the profit. Just see. I post the video. Yahoo. So I come back. As you remember, we said here is the stop loss, and we saw the green candlestick finish above this. So we actually closed the trade in a loss, but we were waiting for another opportunity to buy it again. So this trade took a long time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's about, let me tell you exactly how many. About 32 hours. So we closed the trade in a loss, unfortunately, but it doesn't mean that we are not going to continue. We are going to wait for another setup. Hopefully the market will come down. It has to come down and hit this level. So before I go again, post the video and read this disclaimer in the name of who I'm going to close this video. Yahoo, done, finished. Thanks for watching.